We've always been problem solving in mathematics. We think we've been problem solving, but the problems that we've been using aren't really problems. They're just routine exercises. So they might even be word problems, but at the end of the day, students just read them. They know what to do next. They just follow the steps, follow the routine, and they get the answer. Whereas a problem isn't a problem unless you initially don't know how to solve it. That's when it's a problem. So the problem with textbooks, we've been using this linear model. So it states the problem, but it also gives us a number of mini steps, how to get from A to B to C to D to the answer. Whereas in real life problem solving, we're not given those mini steps. We need to make those up and discover them ourselves. So instead of the linear model that's been promoted, Polya in 1945 came up with a cyclical model of problem solving with 4 main steps. And the first step is actually understanding the problem. What are we actually being asked to do here? Restating maybe the problem in your own words, maybe drawing a diagram, just knowing exactly what the problem is actually asking. The second step is devising a plan. How will I get from what they want me to do to the actual end point? Coming up with some sort of a plan, then carrying out the plan, step number 3, and then finally reflecting on your answer, looking back. Does your answer make sense? Does it make sense in the context of what you're being asked? Is there other ways I could have done it? And so on. It's very difficult when you're teaching problem solving. You want to jump in and help the students straight away, and you want to tell them the steps, but you need to really take a step back, give them the problem, maybe talk through the different strategies that you could use. Okay, are we going to do some trial and error here? Can we work backwards? Can we act out the problem? Maybe describe those strategies, but we don't want to be guiding them through the problem. We want the students to make the decisions for themselves and work out the strategies. And that's difficult to do as a teacher, because your urge is to help your students and give them information. The advantages of problem solving is that probably the main one is it's a life skill. Again, no matter what career they go into, they'll be solving problems every day. Another really important thing is it fosters persistence and determination in students. They're not just constantly being given information, they're actually developing it themselves, and they're using their knowledge and skills of maths and putting it into use in unfamiliar situations, and they're using those skills to solve these problems.